Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gumball. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's first start off near the top and let's draw the nose. Let's draw a curve over, and then curve it back in underneath. Now inside, let's add a curve across near the top, and then a small line down underneath. Now for the mouth, let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a curve down and bring it back up. Then inside the mouth on the top corner, let's draw a V-shaped point down and up for the tooth. And then a curve underneath for the tongue. And that's it for the mouth. Now top up and let's draw the eyes. Let's start on top of the nose and let's draw a circular curve up and bring it around on the right side. And then for the other eye, let's draw a circle on the top left. And then let's add another circle inside each eye. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the right next to the eye and let's draw a curve up. Then let's curve it over to the left. Then let's curve it down and in underneath, stopping here under the mouth. Now let's hop back over to the right side and let's draw a large curve out and bring it in, stopping here, leaving a gap for the neck. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop back in and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a curve on top of each eye. And then from the ends, let's bring it up. And close it off at the top. Now let's color them both in black. Now let's hop down and let's draw the whiskers. Let's draw 3 angled lines down on the bottom left and 2 on the right side. And now thicken each of these lines up like this. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the ears. Let's draw a curved V-shape up and back down. And a larger one on the top left. And that's it for the head. Now top underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a small line down. Now we're going to draw the first arm by drawing a curve up and back down like this. Now on the left, let's continue the arm down. And the same thing on the right, but we're going to leave a small gap first. Now at the bottom, let's add the hand by curving it out and back in. And add 2 curves inside at the bottom. Next, let's hop in on the arm and let's draw 2 curves across and 2 stripes inside. And that's it for the first arm. Now let's move back over to the right and let's draw a line down for the side of the body, then a curve out and bring it in like this. Now top inside and let's draw 2 angles down at the neck. And a line across the belly here. Now in this bottom section, let's draw a curve at the top. And 2 angles underneath. Next, let's move over and let's draw the other arm on the right. Let's draw a curve out near the top here. And then bring it down to the belly. And let's add an angle inside. And that's it for the right arm. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start with an angled line down and over to the left underneath. And then one more on both sides. And then let's close off the bottom of each leg. Next, let's hop in and let's draw a line across inside each one. Now before we add the feet, let's draw the right hand by drawing a small curve under the belly here. Now for the feet underneath, let's draw a small line down in the center and curve it out on both sides. Now top back up and let's draw a curve out and down. And close off the bottom of each foot. And then let's add 2 curves inside for the toes. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the left side next to the hand, let's draw a curve out and bring it back in. And that's it for Gumball. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!